So, good evening, everyone. I'm Satya here again with the help of NABARD and Bank of Baroda. I'm at the land of Ayodhya in the Milkipur Tehsil, and there is one village is called Baswar Khurd and Baswar Kala. So, these two villages adopted by NABARD and Bank of Baroda, and we are going to help them in the kind of capacity building and helping FPOs, helping SSGs in market linkage. Those things we are going to do for these farmers. Now look at his farms. His farm is beautifully designed. You can see here one barsim is there, and next side you can see the coriander is flowering here, and he has cultivated the onion also here. The small garden he has made it, and you can see the drip lines are made beautifully. Cabbage is there, and nolkol is seen here. So his garden, when you see, it's properly managed. It's spick and span. Look at the garlic, how healthy it is, how healthy, how chubby it is. And I think I think first time I'm seeing this kind of farm in our Ayodhya actually. And he has beautifully designed, and he loves the farming. You can see the peas. Peas are coming up very well. It's flowering and fruiting also. And here some leafy lettuce is seen, and in between he has planted the banana also, and entire the area he has bordered with some of the nets to protect the farm from the wild animals. And here he is using the mulching of the plastic seeds, and he has grown the tomato for the I think next season. So you can see how beautifully he is doing the very intensive agriculture, I'll say. It is not like generally our farmers, they sow the paddy or wheat, but in this I think maybe around 1.5 acre or 2 acre area, he has maintained many say vegetables and other very intensive farming he is doing. Now look at his tomatoes, how beautifully he is growing his tomatoes. So basically this village is very in remote area. I say almost I think around 8 to 10 kilometer away from the highway. So tomatoes are beautifully stacked, and you can see I think some fungus is attacking over the leaves of the tomatoes that he might be taking care of, or it is maybe natural farming he is doing. So he is not putting any insecticide over here. So this is the thing you can see here, how the crop, if you look at crop wise, it is beautiful. It is uh, good growing crop. You can see the production of the tomato is very nice. Some of the tomatoes is getting infected with some of the fungal disease is seen here, but farm wise very excellent, I'll say. Thank you, Mr. Harishankar ji. Your farm is very nice. I am showing this farm to my farmers of Ambedkar Nagar district and Ayodhya district, so that I will be taking all the farmers to his farm, so that they will get motivated when they'll see these kind of farms, and they can be trailblazer, and they can be adopt this kind of farming, intensive farming in his farm. And I would like to share here, the government of India supports farmers in many ways. Say drip irrigation is there, so there is a lot of subsidies there. Even if it is pond is there, there is subsidies there. Even if you are doing some kind of intensive farming, there is subsidies there. But only thing is that our farmers are not coming up, and due to lack of knowledge and lack of courage, I'll say. Basically, if you have the courage, you can do the good agriculture. So thank you very much. You can see some of the women, they are harvesting the peas. Let's see how they are harvesting, and we'll have some questions about that. And you can see that potato is also grown here. So in this kind of area, small area, he is growing, I think almost 10 to 15 kind of vegetables in this farm. And let's see here what they are doing and how they are doing. So we'll interact with them. चाची नमस्ते, क्या होत बाटे? मटर मटर तोड़े जा रहा है। मटर ढेर, देसी मटर है कि वो कौन मटर है? ये सब्जी वाली मटर है। तो एक दिन में आप लोग कितना तोड़ लेती हैं? 1 कुंतल 1.5 कुंतल तोड़ लेती हैं। और आपको कितना कुंतल पैसा देते हैं, कैसे देते हैं?
पैसा नहीं मिला,
मत
महीना में तनख्वाह मिला।
तनख्वाह मिलता है। वेरी गुड। कितना तनख्वाह मिलता है?
अरे कम से कम तो 4,000 मिल गए।
4,000 मिल जाता है। वेरी गुड। So you can see the women of the villages are engaged in agriculture, and they are, they are harvesting the peas here, matar basically it's called here, and that's a real sustainable agriculture where a lot of people are involved and they are getting the jobs also inside the farm. So with this, I would like to end my lectures. Thank you.